Hey, my name's Amy, and I'm working in the Hubbard Brook Experimental Forest in New Hampshire this summer as the crew leader for the Valley-wide point count crew. Me and 3 other field technicians make up the Valley-wide crew, and our job is to hike throughout the entire Hubbard Brook Valley to conduct avian point counts. We conduct our counts between 5:30 and 10 a.m., so we're always up before sunrise, and we're required to know all the local bird species by sight and sound. We're also required to hike up steep hills, fight our way through really thick vegetation, and cross streams in the valley without falling in, all in the name of science. I'll be filming my experiences this summer, and I hope to give you a good idea of what we do and show you some of the reasons I love working outdoors, and also some of the challenges we face as field techs. So, first day on the job, it's 5:13 in the morning, and I slept for like 3 hours last night. I'm a bit tired, but seems like it'll be a really nice day. Finally met my last crew member, who seems awesome. I think we're gonna have a good crew this year. Hopefully the birds will be good. Yeah, I feel kind of bad because the last crew member, Katie, who came in last night, she has had no experience out in the woods yet here, so she has no idea what she's doing. And we just sort of threw her out in the woods. It's a pretty easy project, but I don't know what her birding skills are like. So I'm doing the first transect in the forest, which is a bit of a hike to the first point. So yeah, here we go. I made my first point. Surprisingly on time. We have a lot of usual suspects, including mosquitoes, ovenbirds, red-eyed vireos, so I have to cross the Hubbard Brook. Doesn't look like it's too bad this time, but in the springtime it can get really high. Now if I had zipline gear, I could use a zipline. That'd be pretty cool. But alas, I do not. So, stuck crossing it on foot. Yeah, easy crossing. I can't tell you how many times I've fallen in this river. We had a flooding event last year, near the end of the season, and I ended up having to climb a tree that was across the river. That was a terrible idea, because the tree almost fell, and I ended up straight in the river. Oh, also my GPS died, so I have been following the flagging, which is surprisingly good on this transect. However, that doesn't mean it'll keep up. Might be an interesting rest of the day.